Hello everyone, this is Vietnam Singapore PI Industrial Park, abbreviated as Virgin Islands SIP I, VSIP I Industrial Park in Binh Duong is an industrial park that has attracted a large number of investors recently. Located in a strategic location in Thuan An town and adjacent to two main traffic axes, National Highway 13 and Road DT 743, is a big reason why VSIP I Industrial Park attracts large investors. Virgin Islands SIP is currently one of the leading investors in Vietnam in the field of industrial park land development. Up to now, VSIP has successfully developed 9 VSIP industrial park projects across the country with a total land fund of more than 8,600 hectares. All planned land of VSIP will include industrial land, urban land and infrastructure supply services for land lease within 50 years. In addition, VSIP also leases production workshops to nearly 1,000 domestic and foreign investors from more than 30 countries and territories around the world. This has invisibly contributed to creating jobs for hundreds of thousands of domestic and foreign workers. Currently, VSIP is gradually shifting towards developing industrial, urban and service complexes. The reason why VSIP does so is to aim at creating a sustainable living, learning, working and playing environment. In particular, the industrial parks invested in by VSIP are designed, constructed and built towards a modern, exemplary industrial park and a green, clean and beautiful industrial park. Located right in Binh Duong Province, VSIP has invested in 2 large industrial parks, namely Virgin Islands SIP Industrial Park I and VSIP II, along with planning to deploy the Virgin Islands SIP Industrial Park III project. In particular, the Virgin Islands SIP Industrial Park I project in Thuan An town, Binh Duong Province is an economic cooperation between Vietnam and Singapore developed by former Prime Minister of Vietnam, Mr. Vo Van Kiet, and former Prime Minister of Singapore, Mr. Goh Chok Tong. The groundbreaking ceremony of the Cyprus Industrial Park took place on May 14, 1996. Since then, Cyprus I has developed and become one of the leading model industrial parks in Vietnam, along with achieving countless large and small achievements. The occupancy rate of Cyprus I Industrial Park is 100% and the industrial park has attracted 231 projects with a total investment capital of up to $3.2 billion, a very admirable number. In addition, Cyprus I Industrial Park has also been very successful in building complexes of trade centers, services, and housing. From there, creating an environment for living, studying, working, and playing in the industrial park. The famous luxury apartment project, The Habitat, can be mentioned. Location of Microcypsia Industrial Park I Microcypsia Industrial Park I is located in Thuan An town, formerly Thuan An District, Binh Duong Province, about 20 kilometers from the center of Ho Chi Minh City. This has helped investors easily take advantage of infrastructure, utilities, and support services right in the current #1 economic center of Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. Not only that, Microcypsia Industrial Park I is also very close to Tan Son Not Airport and Saigon Port, which helps make the transportation of import and export goods of enterprises and factories in the industrial park much more convenient. In addition, Microcypsia Industrial Park I also shows that it has a favorable location when it is close to other locations such as about 10 kilometers from the center of Binh Duong Province, about 25 kilometers from Thong Not Saigon Station, about 28 kilometers from Cat Lai Deepwater Port. The foundation of the Microcypsia Industrial Park I is a hard ground. Therefore, when building a factory, there is no need to reinforce piles before construction, and the factories here are often built in areas with a ground level 25–30 m above sea level. The traffic in the Microcypsia Industrial Park I is also planned and designed very carefully, up to 64 m for the main road system and 24 m for the internal traffic system of the branch roads. Next, the power grid system of the Microcypsia Industrial Park I is the national power grid system connected through The construction of the industrial park's own main transformer station with an extremely large capacity of up to 141 MVA and intermediate transformer stations with voltage levels of 110 kV, 220 kV. Therefore, factories and enterprises renting land or workshops in the industrial park will always be guaranteed to be fully supplied with electricity for production. The clean water supply system in the Micro-Cyprus Industrial Park 1 has a maximum flow rate of up to 40,000 cubic meters per day, ensuring enough water for production needs according to industrial park standards. Along with that, the wastewater treatment system of the Micro-Cyprus Industrial Park 1 is also designed and completed with a maximum processing capacity of up to 30,000 cubic meters per day, and the rainwater drainage system is arranged vertically, parallel to the roads. In addition, the industrial park also owns a team of extremely professional infrastructure management. Some other systems, such as the fire protection system, communication system, and security system, along with other services such as banks, are also completed and built very carefully in the industrial park. Fire hydrants are installed on the main road and branch roads, and the fire station is located right in the industrial park. The maximum fiber optic bandwidth of the area can also be up to 2 gigabytes and more than 6,000 phone lines. Traffic system. VSIP I is equipped with a spacious and modern traffic network, including internal roads, major roads connecting to national highways and expressways. Wide roads, flat and solid surfaces help the movement of goods and people to take place smoothly and safely. Water and electricity supply system. VSIP I has a stable and continuous water and electricity supply system, meeting the needs of businesses and residents. This system is professionally managed and operated to ensure safety and operational efficiency. Telecommunications infrastructure. Cyprus I provides full and high-quality telecommunications connectivity, including internet, mobile telephony, and other telecommunications services. This enables businesses to connect and communicate effectively with domestic and international markets. Utilities and ancillary services. In addition to basic infrastructure, the first industrial zone also has ancillary facilities and services such as conference centers, restaurants, hotels, banks, schools, hospitals, and supermarkets. These facilities facilitate the daily life and business activities of residents and enterprises in the industrial zone. Economic values in the first industrial zone. Employment creation. The first industrial zone is home to many large and small enterprises operating in the fields of manufacturing, technology, services, and logistics. The presence of these enterprises creates thousands of jobs for workers in the area and neighboring areas, helping to improve the lives and incomes of the community. Local economic growth. The first industrial zone is one of the important driving forces to promote economic activities in Binh Duong Province. The development of enterprises and industries in Cyprus I contributes to the economic and social growth of the locality. Exports and taxes. Enterprises operating in Cyprus I are often involved in export activities, contributing to the increase of Vietnam's exports and creating an important source of tax revenue for the local and national government. Technology and capacity transfer. Cyprus I is a favorable environment for technology transfer and improving Vietnam's production capacity through cooperation between domestic and foreign enterprises. Promoting national economic development. As one of the largest and most efficient industrial parks in Vietnam, Micro-Cyprus I contributes to the overall economic development of the country, promoting economic growth, improving infrastructure, and improving the quality of life of the people. Outstanding economic value of Micro-Cyprus I. Creating jobs. Micro-Cyprus I is home to many businesses, from small to large, operating in different fields such as manufacturing, technology, logistics, services, and many other industries. The presence of these businesses creates thousands of jobs for workers in the area and neighboring areas. Local economic growth. Micro-Cyprus I not only creates jobs, but also enhances economic activities in Binh Duong Province. Attracting investors, along with developing infrastructure and supporting services, facilitates the development of industries, services, and trade in the region. Exports and taxes. Enterprises operating in Cyprus I often participate in export activities, contributing to increasing Vietnam's exports and building Vietnam's image in the international market. At the same time, this enterprise also contributes a significant part to local and national tax revenue. Chien Jiao Tsong Ne Va Nong Luc, 6 Sip 1 Kong Chi La Noi Thursday Hut Von Dao Tu Ma Con La Moi Truong De Chien Jiao Tsong Ne Va Nong Chao Nong Luc Sen Zut Qua Vietnam Thang Qua Quatrin Hop Tok Jua Kak Don Engip Trong Va Nguai Nuoc. Tuc De Fat Trian Kin Te Quoc Jia. Voi Vi Tiaro La Mot Trong In Hung Ku, Tsong Engip Lon Va Ton Tsong Not Thai Vietnam, 6 Sip 1 Dong Gop Veo Su Fat Trian Kin Te Tong The Quadat Nuoc, Jup Tang Quang Nang Sut, Ken Tran Va Hai Nap Quoc Te Quanan. Kin Te Vietnam.